Here's how to cancel your YouTube Premium membership or free trial. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open up the YouTube app if you're on iPhone, Android, or you can go to youtube.com. Now, from here, you're going to tap on the U button at the very bottom right. And first, we need to make sure you're on the account that has YouTube Premium. So I can tap on Switch Account here, and you're going to choose the account that you have that YouTube Premium. Make sure it's the correct one. After you've done that, all you need to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right. And from here, you can see purchases and memberships. Just tap on that. Now, here is my YouTube Premium active. You can see renews February 12th. I can tap on it, and it's as easy as hitting cancel. It does say next billing date is February 12th, 2026. So I'll have full access to all of the premium basically benefits until that next billing cycle. I can just hit the cancel button and then just hit yes, cancel. Now, if you don't see this or it doesn't work for you, there are a couple different options as well. You can always get back out of here. And again, check this to make sure that this is the account that is active for YouTube Premium. From here, let's tap on the Google account option. And then at the very top right, we're going to tap on the search icon. And then we're going to search for pay. And then you can see it says manage your Google payment info. Let's tap on that because a second option to be able to disable or cancel YouTube Premium is just to remove that card that's associated with that Google Premium, YouTube Premium. So scroll down and tap in sign in to payment methods. You'll be able to see it brings you directly to payments.google.com. Now, from here, all you need to do is scroll down. And let's say this is the card that it is charging every month. All I need to do is hit that remove button to remove the card or any of the cards that are associated with my YouTube Premium account, and it will cancel it. However, another option is if you're on an iPhone, Android, or a computer, you might need to head into the App Store or Google Play Store to cancel it. So from here, tap on your profile at the very top right, and then tap on subscriptions. Sometimes you'll be able to see YouTube Premium in here. And if you do see it in here, just tap on YouTube Premium, scroll down and hit the cancel service. Essentially, that will cancel it if it's being billed through Apple or through Apple Pay or something like that. Now, after you've done all of that, keep in mind if you're in YouTube and you go through the process of canceling it, let me go back to the very beginning. All of these downloads, as soon as you cancel it and as soon as that membership lapses, will be deleted automatically and you'll lose benefits to all of those YouTube Premium membership benefits.